Hi there, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. In this video, we're going to learn Wilks Wonder, which is adding an around the neck throw into the Queensland Crssover. It looks like this. The around the neck throw is used to change lead hands in the Queensland Crssover. So obviously, to learn this move, you're going to want to know the around the neck throw in both hands. You're going to want to know the Queensland Crssover with both hands leading. Once you can do all of those things, then it's time to start working on Wilks Wonder, which was created by female whip cracking champion Fiona Wilks. To start, you're going to just learn to add in the throw into the Queensland Crssover. Your top arm is the one that's going to be doing the throw. So maybe start with your dominant arm on top, and when you're ready, just do the throw and then stop the whole pattern. Really focus on trying to get this throw nice and clean so you can get it hopefully every single time. After that, you want to learn it with your other hand on top. So now my left arm is going to be doing the throw. Like that. Once you can do that in both hands, it's time to start putting it into the Queensland Crssover and keeping the pattern going. So I'm going to show you my 3-step progression for learning Wilks Wonder. The first is to do it and then do 3 Queensland Crssover cracks in one hand and then start the pattern over again. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after I've done the throw, my other hand does my reverse, my overhead, and my reverse, and then my bottom arm, the hand that's just caught, sweeps up, and then we start the Queensland Crssover on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Once you can do that confidently on both hands and keep that pattern running for a little bit, it's time to take out some of the space in between these cracks. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3 like that, now we're going to do 1, 2, 3 like this. So you can see I'm doing a fast figure 8 overhead and then a reverse overhead crack. So that looks like this. Remember, my top arm is going to throw. 1, 2. 1, 2. Once you can do that pretty confidently, then it's time to take out these extra cracks and just keep the Queensland Crssover going right after you've done the around the neck throw. So that looks like this. So in order to do that, what you need to do is learn how to do the around the neck throw and then immediately swing it up into an overhead crack. And of course, you need to learn that on both sides as well. And hopefully every time. Once you can do that, your top arm is going to do that and put itself on the bottom after the throw. So my right arm is going to throw, sweep up, crack. And now I've changed lead hands. And as you can expect, when you're learning this routine, you're going to drop the whip a lot of times. But the more you practice, hopefully, the less you're going to drop the whips. That's how to do Wilks Wonder, aka adding a neck throw into the Queensland Crssover. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, check out our website at CanadaWhips.com. I'll see you in the next video.